All right, so heater is back in place. Did a little work on the gas line, new shut off, added a drip leg and painted the whole thing. I also vacuumed this heater out because it was dirty, like cat shit in the back of the heater. I also got 2 replacement heater bricks. These are the old ones that are replaced, and they're broken. So that one broke. I got this one split right down the middle. So left the gas company a message. Hopefully they'll come soon and I can get a gas meter. Got myself a meter. Let me go here. All right. If I can find the knob. There it is. Yeah, we got gas. There we go. We just want to test for leaks. Now we wait for bubbles. Hopefully we see none. And we have no leaks. So let's light it up. This thing is definitely going to kick out some good smoke when I light it up for the first time, because according to the gas company, this house has not had gas since 2006, which is 17 years ago. Still bleed out the line past the union and the pilot tube. The only thing I'm smelling right now is the PB blaster I put on the hinges. On this little door here. How convenient. Oh. Yes, got it. See if the thermocouple's good. See it right there. Smells burnt. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Whoa. That's not good. Oh shit. Uh-oh. That wasn't supposed to happen. That sure as hell was not good. Well, I mean, it lit. All right, let's try it again. All right. Let's turn that light off. This thing is going to smoke. This thing has not ran in nearly 20 years. Old piece of junk. Starting to get heat. Put the fan in. Got it on automatic. Should come on by itself. So this heater is from 1981. Eventually I'm planning on replacing it with something else like hydronic heat, because I like boilers. But for now, hopefully this will do the trick. Waking up to the room being 48 degrees is no fun. Hopefully it doesn't burn up my thermometer. Hey. Yeah, that smells nice. It looks nice. I like the look of it. I think this is two-stage. No, it is. What is that? What's that sound? That's just the flame. Alright. So it is two-stage. Alright. Cool. I have heat now. No more using this. Or this. Go up in the attic. This thing's hot as hell. There's a fan out the bottom. Man, this thing is cranking out heat. I hope it's not that inefficient.